Hi, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use Canva. First you're gonna do is create an account in Canva. Then you're gonna register. Now here you can see these projects. If you want to create, be here. Um, the page is gonna show you an example that you can use. I'm gonna use a document for show you how to use. Here you can choose in here wherever you need and wherever you want. If it's free, if it's not free, you need to pay for that. Like I'm gonna use this, I don't know, and I can edit the page. For example, I'm going to do a poster of New Orleans. Can you see? And here you can edit the letter, the size of the letters, and you can use a different size of the letters. Also, you can decorate the document or the poster if you need it. You can add different titles. Also, you can choose the color of the background and the style if you want. Also, you can add photos or whatever you want. And this is the tutorial of how to use Canva. Thank you for your attention.